Chapter 2. Why are corporate employees unhappy? Before telling you what I did next, I have to look back from where I am now, 10 years after, and explain why I was unhappy. And I wasn't the only one. If you're a corporate employee and you are happy, then skip this chapter. Maybe you're still young and have a lot to learn. You still want to grow, earn money, and shine. Maybe you are not ready for a change. Come back later. Well, here are my findings now, 10 years later, with all the knowledge I gained. Here's why corporate employees are not happy. You are constantly surrounded by people, all like yourself, drained with energy, all wanting to steal yours. James Redfield, in the book series The Prophecies of Celestine, identifies 4 types of people stealing your energy. Most probably you're one of them, using one or several of these 4 means. The intimidator, the person stealing your energy by shouting at you, by bossing you around, by mobbing you. Like my Vera,